Welcome back to the channel RV enthusiasts and adventure seekers as we take a closer look at a travel trailer that perfectly bridges the gap between classic 1950s nostalgia and modern-day off-grid capability. Today we are stepping inside the magnificent Gulfstream Vintage Cruiser 19 TWD, a remarkable recreational vehicle that proves you do not have to sacrifice modern convenience to enjoy the charm of a bygone era. In a market flooded with sterile white boxes on wheels, the vintage cruiser lineup immediately captures your heart with its striking retro exterior graphics, vintage painted bumpers and classic radial tires complete with iconic moon hubcaps. But beneath that beautiful mid-century aesthetic lies a highly advanced lightweight foundation. Constructed with a six-sided welded aluminum frame, vacuum-bonded sidewalls featuring Azdel composite and a seamless one-piece fiberglass roof, the 19 TWD weighs in at a highly manageable dry weight of just over 3,200 pounds. This means it can be effortlessly towed by a wide variety of midsize SUVs and light-duty trucks, making it incredibly accessible for weekend warriors and cross-country travelers alike. Stepping through the friction hinge entry door, you are instantly transported to a cozy retro diner perfectly blended with a modern luxury apartment. The interior continues the nostalgic theme with vintage flat cabinet doors, high-performance vinyl flooring and a gorgeous rear booth dinette bathed in natural light from the expansive windows. However, the technology hidden within this charming space is entirely 21st century. The kitchen comes fully equipped with a modern stainless steel microwave, a 3-burner cooktop and an efficient 12-volt refrigerator, while the climate is perfectly controlled by a powerful roof-mounted air conditioner and a high-output furnace. One of the most unique and highly requested features of the 19 TWD floor plan is its versatile sleeping arrangement located at the front of the cabin. It features two spacious twin beds that allow for easy mobility and storage access, but cleverly includes a custom insert that seamlessly converts the space into a massive luxurious king-size bed. Moving toward the center of the trailer, you will find a highly functional split bathroom layout offering a generous step-in shower on one side and a private toilet and sink vanity on the other, ensuring maximum convenience for couples getting ready for the day. To ensure you can take this retro beauty far beyond the crowded campgrounds, Gulfstream has equipped the trailer with a tankless water heater, dual propane tanks and a roof-mounted solar panel system that keeps your batteries charged while boondocking. In conclusion, the Gulfstream Vintage Cruiser 19 TWD is a brilliant triumph of design and engineering, successfully marrying the absolute best aesthetic elements of the 1950s with the durability, efficiency and comfort expected by modern campers, making it an absolute joy to own and tow.